Good day everyone, we are Group 3. In this video, we will teach you on how to use the U substitution in definite integral. When faced with the challenge of integrating complex functions, one powerful technique we can use is U substitution. U substitution is taken to the reverse process of the chain rule in differentiation. It simplifies the integral by transforming it into a more familiar form.
Imagine you are given an integral that seems complicated, but due to the presence of a composite function, direct integration may be tough, but by using U substitution, we can make the process more simpler.
The core idea is to substitute the part of integral with a new variable, u. Specifically, we choose u equals g of x, which turns du equals g of x over dx. The substitution transforms the integral into a new one in terms of u, often making it easier to evaluate. However, there's an extra step when dealing with definite integrals. We must also change the limits of integration. The original limits a and b correspond to the x values. After substitution, these limits need to be converted to u values using the relationship of u equals g of x.
By re-expressing both the function and the limits, we can often turn a difficult integral into one that is straightforward to solve.
In summary, U substitution for definite integrals involves three main steps: substituting the function, converting the limits, and integrating with respect to the new variable u. Next, let's dive into a step-by-step process to illustrate by my fellow classmates.
So, the first example is integral of 2x minus 1 raised to 3 dx. Hindi natin siya magagamitan ng agad na integration rule. So, gawin natin is change of variable. Magiging u equal 2x minus 1. Kukunin natin yung derivatives ng dx. So, magiging du over dx equal 2. So, para makuha yung derivative ng dyan naman is, multiply natin siya both side by dx. Cancel the dx. So, magiging du equal to dx. So, walang 2 sa given. Therefore, need natin alisin yung 2. So, kailangan natin siya multiply both side to 1/2 para matanggal yung 2. Cancel the 2 and then a 1/2. So, magiging 1/2 du equal dx. So, substitute lang natin siya. Magiging integral, then copy the upper and lower, u cube du. Yung u natin is yun yung 2x minus 1, while yung du natin is yun yung dx. Then, evaluate, we will use power rule, then u cube plus 1 over 3 plus 1, then copy the upper and lower, then simplify lang natin siya. Magiging u raised to 4 over 4, then copy lang ulit. Simplify u raised to 4 over 8. Then, ibabalik lang natin siya sa original variable.
Para makuha natin yung definite integral,
gamitan natin siya ng FPOC. Substitute the upper and lower limit. 2 times 2 minus 1 raised to 4 over 8 minus 2 times 0 minus 1 raised to 4 over 8. Tapos, isi-simplify lang natin siya. 3 raised to 4 over 8 minus 1 raised to 4 over 8 equals 81 over 8. Minus 1 over 8 equals 80 over 8. Simplify ulit natin siya, tapos ang magiging sagot is 10.
But wait, do you know that there's an easy way to solve U substitution?
Hello guys, did you know that if you have your calculator with you, you can answer all this equation much more easier. All you have to do is to press this button.
We will use the first example. So guys, we will put the 2 as our upper limit based on the equation and number 0 for the lower limit, and substitute the equation to x. We have 2x minus 1. Then just raise to 3. Then click this, then get the final answer, which is 10.
U substitution simplifies definite integrals, transforming them into easier forms by substituting parts of the integrand and adjusting the limits. Complex integrals become manageable. With practice, these techniques will be powerful addition to your calculus skills.
Mastering this method will enhance your ability to solve a wide range of integral problems efficiently. Keep practicing and soon you'll find U substitution an indispensable tool in your calculus toolkit. Again, we are Group 3 and hope you learned something from our group. Thank you.